Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'll tell you about a compilation of random facts about animals. Have you ever heard about snakes with two heads? When snakes are born with two heads, they fight each other for food. Who do they remind you of? Two brothers falling out for one toy. By the way, there are about 2,600 different kinds of snake. About 400 are poisonous, but more are harmless. Snakes don't need energy from food, so they can survive for months without eating. Do you think all cats don't like water? You are mistaken. What about the Turkish van? It's a breed of domestic cat who comes from Turkey. They were first found near Lake Van. Most cat breeds dislike getting wet, whereas the Turkish vans like being in the water. Are you planning to go for a swim? Good idea, but don't forget about your cat. The Australian coat of arms has the emu and the kangaroo on it to represent the country's progress because they are always moving forward and never move backwards. Emu, what is that? An emu is a large Australian bird resembling the ostrich which cannot fly. Speaking about ostrich, do you know that an ostrich eye is bigger than its brain? The horned lizard or toad, it doesn't really matter how to say. What's so special about it? I'll tell you what. The horned lizards squirt jets of blood from the corners of their eyes. But when does it happen? It happens when they feel threatened. Do you know that a tiger has 5 fingers on its front paws and only 4 on its hind? What about graceful stripes? Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Get more, the Bengal tiger is the most common subspecies. The Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Does it sound nice to you? I bet it does. It's a tropical American bird. They hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings about 40 times per second. Incredible. Well, here are some more details about that tiny bird. Hummingbird weighs less than a penny. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Typically, the dogs bark. Yes, everybody knows about that. What can you say about Barclay's dog called Basenji? Instead of that, this kind of hunting dog produces an unusual sound called yodeling. The Basenji dog is arguably the most ancient dog breed. The blue whale, at 30 meters in length and 170 tons or even more in weight, is the largest known animal ever. But not only that, I'm sure you are thinking to yourself, tidbit, we can't wait. Okay. The blue whale has the largest heart of any animal, about the same size as a Volkswagen Beetle car. Grandly. Beware an ant uprising. There are 1 million ants for every human in the world. These elastic creatures also never sleep and don't have lungs. But how do they breathe? Good question. Somehow. The problem is, I don't know about it myself. Yes, it's another reader of nature. Bye-bye.